It's your girl Clar and welcome to Vlogmas number 19. So we have a new video for today, and this video is we are going to review Lucky Beauty scents na kasama sa kanilang holiday collection. So kung gusto niyo panood tong video na ito, just keep on watching. So guys, Lucky Beauty released their holiday collection scents. So limited edition scents lang siya sa Lucky Potions na release nila for holiday season. So, I have all two scents here para ma-review ko siya sa inyo. Then, we are going to review this two scents one by one. First up, we are going to review the Gingerbread Rouge. So, ito si Gingerbread Rouge. Kala ko red yung lalagyan niya, pero ganito lang siya. So, si Gingerbread Mousse. So, it is encased in a rouge bottle. A season of wonder stares to life with celestial and comforting holiday magic, ushering in the long-awaited moment. Bright saffron and nutmeg mingle with the caramel kiss frosted jasmine like a busy gingerbread bake shop welcoming its guests. Cinnamon is softened by the mineral warmth of ambergris and amberwood. As it settles, fear buds and cloud-like vanilla weave it a serene embrace, leaving a sumptuous trail for everyone to follow. So, ang amoy niya is more on a peppermint, parang bagong bake na tinapay or gingerbread talaga siya. May konting siya ng saffron, yung nutmeg tsaka saffron, pinagsama pag nag-bake ka ng isang cinnamon with this smells of gingerbread rouge. And another scent is the vanilla eclat. So we are going to smell vanilla eclat. Ito yung I love vanilla scents, guys. If you know me for a while. So the description for vanilla eclat is a dawn in ancient stone chapel, frost, prayer, and wood smoke intertwined in a sacred hour of ethereal stillness. The spectral ritual begins with a sharp, clean chill of icy lemon and cracked pepper. It yields to a haunting heart of mineral salt and smudged sage, like a blessing drifting though into the quiet strength of cedar, sandalwood, tenderly wrapped in comforting vanilla should. Meron siyang parang etong amoy na to, kakaiba sa mga vanilla scents na that I like. Eto medyo siya, may pagka-peppery yung amoy niya, medyo matapang-tapang ng konti. Kasi naghalo yung vanilla sage and sandalwood. While sa gingerbread rouge, dito yung yung amoy ng caramel, yung amoy ng cinnamon, pag yung bagong bake ng cinnamon, dito ko naamoy siya. So, it's a perfect description for holiday scents, na perfect for holiday seasons all throughout. So, my personal take, this is my honest review, I would rather have, kung holiday scents ang pag-uusapan, I would rather have the vanilla eclat. Si gingerbread rouge, medyo magugustuhan siya ng mga scent. Ito yung scent na gusto mo na bagong bake or parang fresh from the oven. Ayan yung Pero I'm not a fan of saffron. I'm not a fan of saffron scents. I'm so sorry, guys. Pero this one is kasi, more on a cinnamon. Kung mahilig ka sa cinnamon, you will love this scent. This is for lang, yung parang, hindi siya pang everyday, pang Christmas occasions lang itong mga ganitong amoy or mga dinner party all throughout the faith. Personally, favorite ko si vanilla eclat talaga, guys. Kasi, I love vanilla scents. Pero, ang ayoko lang minsan dito sa scent na to is more on a peppery. I don't like peppery scents kasi matapang na siya on my preferred. So, that's it for vlog number 19. So, that's my personal review, and thoughts about the Lucky Beauty holiday collection scent. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys!